XRP could skyrocket to $35,000 sooner than you think. It might sound like a bold claim, but there's a shocking twist that has many experts and investors paying close attention. Tesla, the giant in the electric car industry and a leader in technology, may have accidentally revealed the secret to XRP's future price. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla, a company that's no stranger to disrupting markets, could have dropped a major hint about XRP's true potential, and it's set to soar to incredible heights. The news is buzzing, and now the question is no longer if XRP will reach $35,000, but when it will get there. This isn't just another piece of speculative news. Tesla, known for its innovative approach and bold decisions, has inadvertently uncovered a key piece of information that's causing waves in the cryptocurrency world. An accidental leak, a slip of the tongue, or perhaps a piece of insider information that wasn't meant to get out. Whatever the cause, it has set the crypto community on fire. What was revealed was the possibility of XRP's price reaching a staggering $35,000. But what does this mean for XRP holders, investors, and anyone who's been following the cryptocurrency market? It means that XRP's value could be on the verge of a major breakout. If Tesla's involvement has anything to do with it, then we're likely witnessing a tipping point where XRP could gain massive institutional support. This isn't a small shift. This is a monumental change that could push XRP's value far beyond anything we've seen before. The timing couldn't be more critical. The market for digital currencies is evolving rapidly, and more companies are taking notice of XRP's role in the global financial ecosystem. Tesla, with its immense influence, could act as a catalyst for widespread adoption, and that's exactly what XRP needs to push its value up to new heights. Just imagine if Tesla's accidental revelation is accurate, then XRP's price could see a massive rally, pushing it to the $35,000 mark and beyond. Investors who have held on to their XRP through thick and thin might soon see their patience pay off in a big way. The future of XRP is looking incredibly bright, and thanks to this unexpected leak, we could be just moments away from a massive surge in price. Tesla's accidental leak has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world, but what exactly does this mean for XRP's future? To understand the potential of this $35,000 price target, it's important to break down why such a leap is not only possible but plausible. XRP has been steadily growing in both value and adoption, but the real catalyst for its price surge lies in its unique position within the global financial system. XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency. It was created with a purpose to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have grabbed the headlines for their investment potential, XRP has been quietly building partnerships with financial institutions and corporations worldwide. These partnerships are key because they offer a real-world use case for XRP, unlike other coins that rely purely on speculation. As the Federal Reserve and other financial institutions shift towards embracing blockchain technology, the demand for digital assets like XRP is growing. The global financial system is on the brink of transformation, with more and more banks adopting digital currencies for cross-border payments. This is where XRP's true value lies, its ability to enable seamless and instant transactions at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. With institutions starting to recognize the importance of XRP in their operations, we could see massive adoption in the coming years. This isn't a far-off future. This is happening right now. The leaked information from Tesla points to the fact that major players in the financial world see XRP as a critical piece of the puzzle in this financial revolution. When you factor in the growing institutional interest, the bullish market conditions, and the Federal Reserve's supportive stance on blockchain, the path to a $35,000 XRP price seems more likely. Financial giants like Tesla are not the only ones paying attention to XRP. Major banks, payment providers, and even governments are looking into how they can integrate XRP into their payment systems. This institutional adoption, combined with Tesla's potential influence, could set the stage for a massive rally in XRP's price. It's not just about speculation anymore. This is about XRP playing an essential role in the future of global payments. So the question is no longer whether XRP will hit $35,000, but how soon it will get there. With the support of major players and growing demand, This accidental leak from Tesla might have been the first signal, but it's clear that XRP's journey to a new all-time high is just beginning. Now that we know how the Tesla leak could be a game changer for XRP, it's important to dive deeper into why $35,000 isn't just a fantasy, but a realistic target for XRP in the near future. When we talk about XRP hitting that $35,000 mark, it's not just about wishful thinking, it's about understanding the key factors that are aligning to push XRP to new heights. Let's break down the elements that could drive this surge in value. First, we have to look at the growing adoption of XRP by financial institutions. Major banks around the world are already using XRP for cross-border payments, and this trend is only accelerating. As traditional banking systems become more integrated with blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies like XRP are becoming essential tools for modern financial transactions. This is a huge shift in the global financial system, and XRP, with its unique ability to transfer money across borders at lightning speed and low cost, is at the forefront. The Federal Reserve's backing of digital currencies is another key factor that's contributing to XRP's rise. With more governments and financial institutions leaning into blockchain solutions, XRP is primed to become the go-to solution for international payments. Secondly, XRP's limited supply plays a critical role in its price potential. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, XRP has a fixed supply of 100 billion coins. This scarcity factor, combined with the growing demand, is a recipe for significant price appreciation. As more institutional investors and businesses start acquiring XRP, the supply will tighten, and this could drive the price upwards. It's the basic economic principle of supply and demand in action. As institutions increasingly adopt XRP, they will need to purchase and hold on to larger quantities, which will further decrease the available supply, inevitably pushing the price higher. Lastly, let's not forget the impact of big names like Tesla, which have the power to move markets. Tesla's inadvertent leak has already sparked speculation and excitement, but this is just the beginning. When large companies and institutions like Tesla show interest in a cryptocurrency, it often leads to a snowball effect. More players jump in, causing a surge in demand and price. If Tesla, along with other major corporations, continues to express interest in XRP, it could send a strong signal to the rest of the market that XRP is not just another digital asset, it's a key player in the future of global finance. With these factors in play, growing institutional adoption, limited supply, and the influence of major companies like Tesla, it's clear that XRP has the potential to reach $35,000. While there are always risks in the cryptocurrency market, the stars are aligning for XRP to break through to new levels. The Tesla leak is just the first indication that this massive rally could be closer than anyone expects. The stage is set, and XRP's rise could very well be just around the corner. As we continue to explore the implications of this massive XRP rally, it's essential to look at the broader market reaction and how investors are currently viewing this news. The leaked information from Tesla has set off a wave of excitement and speculation, and the cryptocurrency community is taking notice. XRP holders, especially those who have been in the game for years, are now more confident than ever that the coin is on the brink of an explosive price surge. With the backing of institutions and growing recognition from financial giants like Tesla, many believe the $35,000 price target is more achievable than it may seem. But what does this mean for the average investor, and how should they approach the situation?